Hey, so real quick, I wanted to show you how we are going to be doing our folders. So what we did is we created grading groups within each one of our course sections. So this is how we're going to do our folders. This is going to be our Gen Ed folder where it just says Unit 3 Atomic Structure, for example. And then for each unit, we're going to have an accommodated folder. That'll be for SPED and 504 kind of accommodations like extra time, chunking, less white space. Then you're going to have SPED reduced, which is where the assignments are shortened. And then we'll have our SPED modified folder. So if you look at our Gen Ed folder, you'll see for this unit, you'll see everything for the entire unit dated. The same for the accommodated folder. So what we will do is we will put the assignments, we will copy all of the assignments that we plan on doing into these folders. So everything that we have planned for next week will be copied into next week for the accommodated folder, the reduced folder, and the modified folder. And that is where you'll be able to go in and access the assignment to accommodate and or reduce or modify. So all you would do is, for example, this one says Monday. You can add links or diagrams. So like here is a label diagram of the atom so that our kiddos have that to reference. And then the actual assignment, now this is subject to change because we have to move some things around due to being gone for 2 days. But then the 8-man calculations, so RM13, that's the actual assignment. This is where you would click this. It's going to open the assignment for here, so here's where the link is. This little gear is where you will edit it. So for example, on this particular one, you can edit this link, so you can click this, accommodate it, modify it, shorten it, whatever you need to do for that, and reattach it here and put some more specific directions, and then you can just click save. So when you open up the attachment, let's say you open this 8-man and you want to shorten it, make a copy, you want to take RM13 and add some pictures or shorten it, whatever the need is. What I would do is I would change the title. So I would come up here, delete that, and I would put whatever folder it's going to go in. So modified SM, so that we know what folder to put it in. Something else that's really important is when you're using anything like a Google Doc, a Google Slide, or a Google Sheet, you want to make sure the share settings are restricted, opened to anyone with link can view. And then to add it to the assignment, you'll click copy link, and you'll go into Schoology. And for this one, this is the SA. You'll click edit, and you'll replace this link. So I'm going to click it. You have to replace this link, otherwise they'll get the original. I'm just going to delete it, and I'm going to click here, insert link. I'm going to paste this link, but right here where it says edit, I want them to make their own copy. So I'm going to change that to copy. And then I'm going to put the title, click here for assignment. And then you'll just click update. So that's kind of how that would work. And click save changes. And boom. So that's how you upload different assignments into Schoology. So real quick, one more time. In each of these folders, we will copy the assignments that we're going to use into each folder. And so for this one, this is the accommodated folder. You will go in and you will edit the assignment in that folder. Make sure you title everything accommodated, or A, so you know what folder it's gonna go into. So Tuesday, whatever we're doing on Tuesday, you'll go in and accommodate or modify the task. And you'll do the same for the SPED reduced, which is SR, and the SPED modified, which is SM. And you'll just keep everything that you accommodate in this folder, everything you reduce in this folder, and everything you modify in this folder. And you want to make it match the days that we have planned for Gen Ed. I hope that makes sense. I'll double check, or you can let me know when that's done, and I'll double check to make sure that there's no confusion and everything is in the right place.